Frequency tables and histograms. A frequency table displays the number of times, the frequency, that data items appear in a given interval. To create a frequency table, choose a scale that spans all of the numbers in the dataset. Next, choose an interval to separate the scale into equal parts. This is arbitrary, but a rule of thumb is to divide the scale into 4 to 10 equal intervals, optimally with 6, 7, or 8 intervals. A standard frequency table is shown with the time intervals in the first column, tally in the second, and the frequency in the third. The following are the test grades for a student from the previous school year. To start, let's organize the data in a frequency table. Plan. Find the range of the data, then choose a scale and an interval width. To begin, these are test scores, so the grades are clearly integers between 0 and 100. A closer look reveals that the minimum is 39 and the maximum is 97. Hence, the grades span from 39 to 97. What's the range? What's the scale? What is a meaningful interval width? How many intervals should we have? The range is 97 minus 39, which is 59. The scale, we will choose 30 to 99. Interval width, choose 7 intervals, and 99 minus 30 divided by 7 is about 10. So let's let 10 be the width of each interval. The intervals will be 30 to 39, 40 to 49, and so on. Alright, so let's create our table. We have our intervals, which are going to be 30 through 39, 40 through 49, 50 through 59, 60 through 69, 70 through 79, 80 through 89, and 90 through 99. Alright, so we have 95, so we get a tally there, 85, 93, 77, 97, 71, 84, 63, 87, 39, 88, 89, 71, 79, 83, 82, and 85. So the frequency is 1, 0, 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 3. In this example, the choice to use the width of interval to be 10 was deliberate because of the traditional grading scale. So we have here that we have the grades here, and we see our frequencies there. So yeah, we did this correctly. Alright, so here's another problem. We have a bunch of lengths of time walking. Let's create a frequency table. So our range is 60 to 15 because 60 is the longest time spent walking, 15 is the least. 60 minus 15 equals a range of 45. The scale we want, let's do 10 through 69 because that way the interval width will be about 10 because the interval width will be 69 minus 10. If we have 6 intervals, that gives us about 10 for each one. So we'll have intervals from 10 to 19, 20 through 29, 30 through 39, 40 through 49, 50 through 59, and 60 through 69. Alright, so let's go and figure out our tallies. We have 15, which goes here, 30 goes there, 15, 45, 45, 30, 30, 60, 30, 60, 15, 30, 45, 45, 60, 15. Alright, so we have a frequency of 4, 0, 5, 4, 0, 3, and that's our answer. So here we see we have our range or scale and our frequencies. A histogram is a plot that displays the frequency distribution of a set of continuous data. Ideally, the data is shown in intervals along the horizontal axis. The frequency can be displayed as a number or as a percentage. Note, unlike the bar graph, there is no space between the bars. Here is a histogram of test scores. So we see we have one score in the 30 to 39 range there. We have no scores that are between 40 to 59. We have one score that's 63 in there. We have 4 scores between 70 and 79. We have 8 scores over here between 80 and 89, like that. I didn't put that there. And then we have 3 scores between 90 and 99. Questions. How many students scored an A? Well, an A is between 90 and 99, and we see that 3 students scored in here. So the answer is 3. How many students scored better than 69%? So 69% is here. So from here on, there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 test scores to the right of 69%. Notice that the test scores are closely grouped except one, here. In statistics, when a value is very different from the rest of the dataset, it is called an outlier. Let's create a frequency table. Alright, so here we have some more grades, some test scores, and they go from 40 all the way up to 95 here. So we want some intervals that are like 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, and 90 to 99. Alright, so let's do our tally. We have 87, 53, 95, 85, 89, 59, 86, 82, 87, 40, 90, 72, 48, 68, 57, 64, and 85. So we have frequency of 2, 3, 2, 1, 7, and 2. Now we will create a histogram. From the last slide, we see that these were the frequencies there, so I'll put that here. And when we fill in the histogram, we get 2 scores in the first interval, 3, then 2, then 1, then 7, then 2. Compare and contrast bar graphs and histograms. Data in different categories can be displayed using bars with lengths that represent frequency. Histograms show data in intervals along a continuum. Bar graphs show a specific value for a specific category and have a space between the bars to separate the categories.